Hello and welcome back to the Open Mind with You YouTube channel. Open Mind YouTube channel में आपका स्वागत है. I'm your host Umesh Rindani, and today there is a change because today I am once again not going to give you a presentation because this matter is going to be a bit serious than the usual. Like the last weekend, today's matter is also a bit serious, लेकिन इस सीरियस मैटर में से भी कुछ आपको जानने के लिए मिलेगा, कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलेगा. तो बने रहिए दोस्तों. Let's get ahead with this week's episode. The title of this episode is there life after death? क्या मृत्यु के बाद जीवन है या जिंदगी है? कैसा लगा? आई एम श्योर कि आप लोग सोच रहे हैं कि भाई ये क्या बात कर रहा है, लेकिन ऐसी काफी चीजें हैं, जगह है, और मेरे ख्याल से ऑन टीवी एंड वेरियस these channels, Netflix and Prime, this subject has been covered in one way or another. And there are so many books that may have been written in various languages, be it English and any other language, on this topic. I have actually experienced this. And that is one of the reasons why I thought that this needs to be shared, because there is life after death in one way, at least. I cannot know the other way, which is only when the person is no more in this world. And I am not sure whether I will have that kind of power or anyone else has that kind of power, to my knowledge, who can actually come back and show us that this is the life after death. But let me tell you my story. So friends, this is, I'm talking about 19 late 80s era, and I was studying for pursuing my CA exam, and I was on an outstation audit, and the audit was quite extended for more than 30 days or so, and usually outstation audits are like that. So what happened is that I was not feeling well, and I thought, bhai, thoda sa fever hai. From the childhood, I had the tendency of, trying to know my body. And I realized that there is something wrong with my body, but I had 3-4 days, and I knew that ठीक है, घर तक तो पहुंच जाएंगे कैसे भी करके. And there is always, and our return ticket was given to us saying that here is your return ticket for so and so day. So we boarded the train in the night, and early in the morning we got off at Borivali station, घर गया, and I was not feeling well. So my mother said that, Umesh, I think you are running temperature, and that was early in the morning, 5:30 or so. And I said, I have to go to office at around 9 o'clock. I will leave 9:30, and I have to report for whatever I have done. So I have to go to the office. So wake me up by 8, latest by 8:30. She said, okay. And then what followed was that I was diagnosed with jaundice as well as malaria, and it was so severe that I ended up spending 13 nights in the hospital. And one of the nights was such that the doctors, all attending doctors who were specialists in their respective fields, actually gave up, kind of thing, saying that what else can we do to save this boy? And believe me, friends, the temperature was not coming down, 104 or 105, I think. I was running that kind of high fever, and it was just not coming down. And मैं तो अपनी ही दुनिया में था, मस्त, drowsy, I had no idea, but I knew that all the doctors and nurses were about 8 to 10 people with white coats were, the doctor का जो आता है जैकेट वो पहन के मेरे वो बेड के आजू बाजू थे. And of course my parents and my uncle was the dean or the CEO of that hospital. So the special care and attention was also given. Even my other doctor uncle was also by my bedside, and all of them were scratching their heads at what needs to be done. This is in the night time, past midnight. And then they were discussing doing their own things. And what I realized is that I had my eyes always shut because I could not open my eyes. उतनी weakness थी मेरी. तो मुझे लगा कि सामने से एक बहुत ही बड़ा bright light आ रहा है. The bright light that you are seeing here at the in the background, that is just 10%. The immense bright light was seen by me, and I could see some movement from it. Somebody came through it and smiled at me. Now, I don't know whose face it was, but this was a person who was attired in white and white. कुर्ता पैजामा समझ लो ऐसा कुछ था. And that person started coming closer. He came closer, closer. And then he said, "Khush raho." And that light, in fact, brightened further. And then it went off. I don't know what happened thereafter. When I opened my eyes, everybody they were in joy, saying that, "Oh, he is now awake." मुझे नहीं मालूम था. मैंने तो पूछा, चाय दे दीजिए. And they were surprised that this person has got the appetite also to have tea, whereas I was being given those IVs on both the hands to get me out of this no-go zone jaisa tha. So I know I actually came out of that zone. For me, that was, this life is after almost my near death. And I realized this only last year when I was reading a book, The Power of Positive Thinking. Excellent book, must read, friends. This book, of course, is written by a Catholic priest, and by the name of, if I remember it right, Norman Vincent Peale, or maybe Paul, but you just Google it, The Power of Positive Thinking, and you will get that book. This book is all about, when I started reading, I thought that this is Power of Positive Thinking. So सकारात्मक सोच वगैरह की बात करेंगे, ये सब है, the standard stuff that one comes to know when you follow Robin Sharma, Jack Canfield, and this kind of people, right? So they keep talking. लेकिन ये तो कुछ अलग ही दुनिया में लेके गया भाई. He was talking about Bible and all that. Now, when the reference came to Bible, अपना सोच limited है. Bible, I am not a superhuman being that I will be able to relate and understand Bible, because that Bible language is also difficult to understand. It's an English language, but thou and all that, यहाँ तो ordinary English में problem होता था, right? So I understood, wherever Bible reference came, I said Mahadev, and I understood what the meaning of that sentence was to be. But in that, one of the chapters was on this. And what he has described, there were some of his, I would not say patients, but some of his, I don't have the right word, but I would use the word clients, who narrated a similar story like mine. And that is when I realized that this is what the life after death is like. People have seen exactly like me. Somebody has written that went almost there. He saw, his parents and uncles all gathered around, I think, and he came out from there. They were all happy to see that person. And I was stunned and I said, "Arey, ye to mere saath bhi hua hai kafi saalon pehle." And then I realized that this life that I'm living after that happened is actually for me life after death. I don't know whether there is life after death or not. क्योंकि पुराणों के हिसाब से spiritually speaking, there may not be, because it is said that Atma or soul is immortal. Atma अमर है. तो हमारा जो ये शरीर है वो रह जाता है. The Atma moves on. So we may not have life after death as this body, but our soul definitely has life after death. This is my opinion, my belief. What do you think, friends? Please let me know. And have you encountered or have you heard, read such incidents that I narrated? And do you like this kind of interaction where you are able to see me rather than the slides? Well, I'm not going to always follow this, but to the extent possible, I would do that, because there were some viewers who recommended that आपका प्रेजेंटेशन सुपर रहता है लेकिन आपका चेहरा नहीं दिखता है भाई. तो मैंने सोचा चलो चेहरा भी दिखा देते हैं. वैसे तो मैं रोज दिखाता हूँ शॉर्ट्स में. And please help me by circulating and spreading this video for me to know whether others have also experienced similar things. Thank you very much, and you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.